Understanding delta modulation, a key concept in digital communication. Hello and welcome to today's video. We're going to dive into the fascinating world of digital communication and demystify a concept called delta modulation. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone curious about how digital communication works, this video is for you. Let's break down this concept into easy-to-understand parts and see why it's so important in the field of electronics and communication. Delta modulation is a simple form of analog-to-digital conversion. This method simplifies the process of converting voice or music signals into digital form. Instead of capturing the full detail of the sound wave, delta modulation focuses on the changes between consecutive samples. Imagine you're climbing stairs. Instead of noting the height of each step, you only note whether you're going up or down with each step. That's how delta modulation works, but with sound waves. In this section, we'll talk about the two main components of delta modulation, the delta modulator and the delta demodulator. 1. Delta modulator. This is the part that converts the analog signal, like your voice, into a digital signal. It compares the current sample with the previous one and outputs either A1 if the signal has increased, or A0 if the signal has decreased or stayed the same. 2. Delta demodulator. This part does the opposite. It takes the digital signal, the series of ones and zeros, and reconstructs the original analog signal from it. It's like translating a secret code back into a normal message. Now, let's discuss why delta modulation is important and what its limitations are. Advantages. Simplicity. The hardware for delta modulation is less complex compared to other methods. Speed. It can process signals quickly, which is great for real-time communication. Limitations. Granularity. If the signal changes very quickly, delta modulation might not capture all the details. Slope overload. When the signal's slope is too steep, delta modulation might not keep up, leading to errors. Delta modulation is not just a concept, it's widely used in various applications. Here are a few. Mobile communication. Your mobile phone might be using delta modulation to convert your voice into a digital signal. Data storage. Some devices use delta modulation to store data efficiently. Military communication. Due to its simplicity and speed, it's also used in critical communication systems. And that's a wrap on delta modulation. We've explored what it is, how it works, its pros and cons, and where it's used in the real world. I hope this video has shed some light on this essential concept in digital communication. If you found this video helpful, remember to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Until next time, keep learning and exploring.